Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. So it is Bag of the Month day. Now this Bag of the Month was late. I was hoping my video would be out on Friday and it would be my Friday video, since I'm trying to stick to schedule and do actual videos, not my dailies, but videos on Friday. So I think it's gonna go up a day late. Sorry guys, it's not my fault it came late, but I'm so happy it came. Of course, this is the June 2024 Bag of the Month. This video is also a fun little collab with my friend Dee Bean, and she is doing her unboxing as well of the Bag of the Month. I will link her information on the bottom. Go show her some love. And if you're here from Didi's channel, thank you so much for coming by. Please hit that subscribe. I do the Bag of the Month unboxings every month, and I so enjoy meeting and finding new friends here. So welcome. So you're probably wondering, what color did Tera get? So unfortunately, I just checked the website, guys, and the Bag of the Month for June, of course, is the Sea View Betsy bag. And they started with 4 colors, guys, and the color I have here was included in the 4 colors. And as of today, right now when I'm taping, it's a Saturday, so I'm not sure when this video will load. There is only 3 colors left. So to everyone who got this color, congratulations. I don't know if Didi got this color. Didi, did we get the same color? So when you're watching this, I'm going to be watching her. I hope we didn't get the same colors, because I like to see the different reactions and the different colors unboxed. But if you did get the same color, Didi, I think this is a wonderful color. So again, the Bag of the Month for June 2024 is the Sea View Betsy bag. Now, the Sea View collection is part of the Dooney and Bourke coated cotton collection, guys. If you don't know, I have here a couple of other representatives of the cotton collection. I have a lot of cotton collection pieces. I do enjoy it. They're very lightweight compared to the other leathers that Dooney does. So if you're not already collecting Dooney and you want to jump aboard and you're not sure what collection to start with, I'm going to say the coated cottons are a little bit more user friendly. They are not that heavy up front, because you know Dooney and Bourke leather is a heavy bag. So if you're not sure yet, you are trying to get one, try with the coated cotton collection, guys. So what color did I pick? It's obvious, isn't it? Here it is.
Deep purple. Just kidding.
So this is called Sunflower, guys. And
what if you did pull out like a red or purple bag?
I'm gonna trick them. Of course, that's my son, guys. He is the man behind the face. He is my partner in crime, and this is actually his channel, his baby. I'm just the star. So he's here to help me along, because sometimes I forget stuff and I need his help. So Robert, welcome. So this is, of course, like I said, the color is called Sunflower, guys. The little Betsy. Look at it. It's so cute. And unfortunately, it is not available as of today as part of the colors. What is all that? Ugh. But you know what? It's this is a coated cotton collection, and there are other bags right now being featured as part of the Betsy sale. So I have a couple here. I'm going to show you of the different colors, because the colors that they have are right now available is a fuchsia. They have it in this color, which is the navy. And this is, of course, another collection that I have from the coated cotton. I'll tell you the name right now. It's not coming to me. And this is the sea foam. Now, I couldn't decide between this color or the sea foam, but ultimately at the end I went with this color, because I felt like I haven't seen this color in person in this collection. So again, this is the Sunflower. And of course, this bag comes in the fuchsia color. Look at this. I ordered this. This is another set piece from this collection of the coated cottons. Now this one is called, I believe, Chevron, if I'm not mistaken. I just wanted to see it in person, so I have all the colors here represented. That's why I made the display this way, so that we can see all the colors separate, represented, although there are different collections. We'll talk about that right now. And of course, no sticker. What is going on, Dooney? What is going on? I mean, I probably get 1 or 2 stickers a year, if that, from Dooney and Bourke. And I, you know, guys, I order a lot, even though I'm on a no buy right now. This doesn't count. I know you're like, Tera, you just ordered a bag. No, this is kind of like a work. I'm putting it under my work category, so it's a piece for my job, so it doesn't count. But I am on a no buy when it comes to other brands and other bags, everything else. So besides the bag of the month will continue. So guys, where was that? Okay, so this bag of the month, Sea View, is what it's under. Sea View Betsy. Now, of course, mine is the color Sunflower. I'm gonna jump into it, and then I'll show you the other pieces as well up close. And so Robert will come by later on, and he will put it to more forward for you guys to see. If not, you guys will can see all these other collections in my playlist. I'm gonna link a couple of playlists on the bottom for you guys to watch. It is a fun playlist. Go watch. Now these are mass produced, so they're not even numbered, even though this color has, as of today, sold out. I'm curious, Didi, did you get the same color? I mean, I had trouble with this one, guys, I have to admit. Very indecisive on the color. Usually when I see the bag of the month, immediately I know what color I'm gonna get, like something will draw me to it. But this one, guys, I was a little indecisive because I did have my heart set on the seafoam, because I love that seafoam color, and this is the seafoam again right here. So this bag is available in seafoam if you want to go pick it up. Now let me tell you the different collections here I have. So this one is, like I said, it is the Chevron. They have the Chevron Betsy right now on special on the I Love Dooney website. If you go on to the search bar, punch in just Betsy, guys, and you're going to see all the collections they have right now. So look how cute this one is. So this is just a little wristlet, or the large wristlet. I believe I always forget the name of this one. Yeah, it's just a zip wristlet. And this is in the Chevron collection, part of their coated cotton, and the color is fuchsia. I just wanted to order this with my bag of month because one, you pay for shipping unless you get to a certain amount, and I rather get another piece than pay the shipping. So this one is again in the color fuchsia, and this bag does come in the color fuchsia. It is still available.
Oh,
if you want to go pick it out. Yeah, the ghosts are acting up today.
There's nobody sitting there, it just fell.
And then there is also this bag, the Betsy here in the Chevron collection itself in fuchsia, if you guys want to go see it. They have really, really a great collection right now for the Betsy. Like I said, just punch it Betsy. You're going to see all the different kinds. I'm just trying to remember. And this is the Sullivan collection. That's what drove me crazy. I couldn't remember the name. Sullivan, guys. This is the Sullivan collection I have here. And what was this one's name? Okay, so we have the Navy and Sullivan. And of course, the other one represented is the sea foam. Okay, I just wanted to put these out so you guys could see the different colors represented, and then the different styles and collection of the coated cotton that Dooney is doing right now. But the bag in hand, look at this, guys. This is the cutest little thing I've seen in a long time, and it is so lightweight. Like I said, this collection is very lightweight. If you want to jump on board with the Dooney and not sure which collection to go with, this is so cute. So basically, the Betsy is a tiny zip zip. So this is my most favorite zip zip right here. This is in the color Dandelion. This is the normal, regular zip. If you order a zip, this is the bag. This is in pebble green. So look, this is the Betsy. Look at that. It is like a mini me. It's exactly the same. That's why I brought it up so we can check it together. The zip has the two right there openings, and apparently I'm hoarding all my straps in here for some reason. I don't know. I was like, why is this heavy? It should be empty, but it's hoarding all my straps. Okay, so this zip opening, again, two pull zipper. The Betsy has exactly the same setup. Let's go inside. I'm loving this color, guys. I am so happy I chose this color. I'm curious now to see what my friends order. If you order the bag of the month, guys, you know the deal. If you tag and mention me, I will of course share it for my audience to come aboard and watch your video and to see the other colors. That would be fantastic. So if you ordered it, guys, let me know, tag me so I can go ahead and add your video to my page so all my friends here can watch it. Look at this red on the inside. Like I said, it's exactly the same. The zip opens up the same way. Same large opening. Okay, size here. Inside it has a large slot pocket. Red with the trim. I love the trim on this, guys. It's beautiful. On the back here, it even has a slip pocket and a zipper pocket and the key bob. Isn't that amazing? So there's a lot going on for such a tiny bag. I mean, it is tiny. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Oh, and the price for the Betsy now with the code June is $95. Yes, $95. I think that is fantastic price. That's the price point the bag of the months usually are. They're going to be under the 100. It's rare that they do a little bit above the 100, but this is the usual price point for the bag of the months, guys. Two handles, exactly the same. Two handles. It does even have the trim on the bottom here with these two handle like things here. I am not even sure what this is about. Can someone tell me what are these used for? Are they just decorative? Or maybe there's a way to put the strap on. I don't know, but I've never known why these are here. I just assume they're decorative. On the back and the bottom here, it does have feet. And of course, the original zip does have the feet. So there you have it, guys. The bag of the month for June. And it's hot in here. Is that air even on?
I believe it turned on, then turned off. Yeah.
I'm kind of flushing here because I had to rush home from work because my kids sent me a message saying the bag is here, the bag is here. I requested that I can go home a little early because the bag is already late so I could get a video out to you. I love that braided zipper pulls, guys. Look at it. So cute. Isn't it cute, Robert? Mm-hmm. Very cute. Again, the color I got is, what was the color? I forgot the name. This is why I have my phone here because I forget the name so fast.
The color is SpongeBob yellow.
SpongeBob. What was it called, serious? I forgot.
I think you said it was part of the Sea Foam collection. You said like it was.
Oh, sunflower. Okay, sunflower. Sea View is what the collection is called from their coated cotton line. So again, sunflower. Look how cute, very cute, and it is a crossbody. This I would wear as a crossbody. You guys know I don't like the smaller bags, but this one, since I enjoy my zip very much, I think I will be enjoying this and keeping it. Like I said, I really struggled with picking a color this time. I really wanted that seafoam color because from the coated cotton, guys, the seafoam is my favorite. But since they ran out of the color I picked, I'm kind of happy I picked this color. So that means that this was the popular color. I don't know what color did Dee pick, guys. Please go show her some love. And again, like I said, if you're here from Didi's channel, thank you for stopping by. Please hit that subscribe. Okay, guys. So the zip is, I have to say, a lot of people don't like the zip for this one reason, because the straps, you put it on the handle, crossed, like one here, and that doesn't sit well with a lot of people. But if you could get past that point, the zip is, like I said, one of my favorite, and one of the first bags that I've gotten, and I think as a first bag, the zip should be in your collection. And if you don't like the zip size, this is the normal zip. You will be very happy with the Betsy. There you have it, guys. Betsy in the color Sunflower from the Seaview Betsy bag from their Kote collection. I want to say thank you to everyone, to my regulars. I so appreciate all of you. And if you're new here and you just stopped by, hit that subscribe, guys. I am Tera. I will be posting actual bag videos on Friday from now on. This is a little late, so this is my Friday video, although it's going to post, I'm hoping, today on Saturday. So I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. Bag of the month, guys. June 2024. Mwah.